What if you could build a fully functional research tool? One that searches the web, organizes results, and exports everything to a spreadsheet without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what you're going to do today, using an AI platform called Lovable. By the end of this masterclass, you will have a working, shareable research workflow app running live on the internet. Not a template, a real application you built yourself. Lovable is not a chatbot. It's a full-stack AI app generator. You describe what you want in plain English, and Lovable writes the front-end, back-end, and database logic automatically. ChatGPT gives you text. Lovable gives you a running application with a live URL you can share with anyone. Let's start with account creation. Go to lovable.dev and click Start Building. Sign up with Google for speed. Lovable will ask what kind of builder you are. Select Product Builder. Then go to Settings, then Preferences, and enable Autosave Versions. This creates a checkpoint every time you make a significant change, so you can always roll back if something breaks. You're now inside the dashboard. On the left is your project list. In the center, your start prompt. Top right, your account settings and usage meter. Free accounts get a limited number of AI-generated messages per day, so plan your session around meaningful changes, not small experiments. Click New Project. This opens a dialog asking what you want to build, your starting prompt. The quality of this prompt determines the quality of your starting app, the structure that works best, purpose, then primary action, then data, then output. Type this. Build a research workflow web app where a user enters a topic. The app searches the web for relevant results, displays the results in a clean table with title, URL, and summary columns, and allows the user to export the results as a CSV file. Press Enter and watch Lovable generate your app in real time. Code appearing on the right, a live preview building on the left. This takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Your first version will have a placeholder search function, since it isn't connected to a real search API yet. Don't rebuild from scratch. We'll iterate from here. To connect real web search, you need an API key. The best option for Lovable in 2026 is Tavily AI Search. It has a generous free tier and was built for AI apps. Go to Tavily.com, click Get API Key, sign up, and copy your key. Keep it private. Back in Lovable, open the Environment Variables panel under Settings in the project editor. Add a new variable named Tavily, your plea.key, and paste your key. Save it. Now prompt Lovable. Connect the search function to the Tavily API using the Tavily, your key, environment variable. When the user submits a topic, call the Tavily search endpoint and display the real results in the table. Lovable rewrites the integration automatically, handling fetch calls, error handling, and data mapping for you. Test it in the preview panel with a topic like AI Tools for Productivity in 2026. If results look messy, prompt. Clean up the results table so each row shows the page title as a clickable link, the domain name, and a 2-sentence summary. Add alternating row colors for readability. Next, upgrade the layout. Prompt. Change the results display from a table to a card grid layout. Each card should show the title, source domain, publish date if available, and the summary text. Then check mobile view using the phone icon. If cards don't stack properly, prompt. Make the card grid responsive so it stacks to a single column on mobile screens. Hidden feature. Click the clock icon to see Lovable's full version history. You can preview and restore any past version instantly, your safety net before major changes. Now add export functionality. Prompt. Add a Download CSV button below the results. When clicked, it should export all current search results, including title, URL, summary, and source, as a properly formatted CSV file. Test it by opening the downloaded file in Excel or Sheets, and if any column is missing, tell Lovable exactly which one, and it'll fix the mapping. Add a Share button too. Add a Share button that copies the current app URL to the clipboard, and shows a success notification saying, "Link copied." The shared URL should work for anyone without requiring login. Now click Publish. Choose a custom subdomain on Lovable app and deploy. Your app is live. Open an incognito window and test the URL as a visitor to confirm everything works before sharing it. Let's talk prompt engineering. The most common beginner mistake is writing single-sentence prompts and expecting perfect as results. Professionals use context stacking. Layer 1 is core function. Layer 2 is user experience. Layer 3 is edge cases. Layer 4 is optimization and polish. Remember this three-word phrase, find and fix. When something breaks, type, find and fix the error in the search function that causes describe. Lovable diagnoses and patches it in the same response. Also use the before and after frame. Instead of improve the UI, say exactly what's wrong and what you want instead. And never bundle multiple major changes into one prompt. It confuses Lovables, context, and often causes some changes to be ignored. Now let's add 3 advanced features. First, topic history. Add a search history sidebar on the left. Every topic the user searches should be saved to local storage and appear in the sidebar. Clicking a history item should reload those results instantly, without a new API call. Second, bookmarking. Add a bookmark icon to each result card. When clicked, the result is saved to a Bookmarks tab. Bookmarks should persist between sessions using local storage. Third, the power move, AI summaries. Add an AI summary button at the top of the results. When clicked, it should compile all result summaries into a single prompt and call the OpenAI API using the key stored in OpenAI day.key to generate a 3-paragraph executive summary. Get your key from platform, OpenAI.com, and add it as OpenAI.key in your environment variables. This single feature makes your tool worth paying for. Now, business applications. This tool solves a real problem businesses pay for daily. Digital marketing agencies need fast competitor research for every client onboarding. A tool like this is worth around $500 a month to them. Freelance content creators covering fast-moving topics will pay $150 to $300 for a done-for-you setup. SaaS startups also need lightweight internal research dashboards that look and function like something engineers would spend weeks building. You can even automate this with Make, formerly Integromat. Create a free account at Make. Build a scenario with a daily 7 a.m. schedule trigger, an HTTP module calling your Lovable app's search endpoint, and a Gmail or SendGrid module to email the results. You've now built an automated research newsletter, the kind founders charge $20 to $50 per subscriber per month for. A few advanced techniques worth trying. A deep research mode that runs multiple searches on related subtopics and merges, deduplicates, and ranks results. Integrating Supabase as a database to store search history. Adding Supabase Auth for multi-user team collaboration with shared bookmarks. And connecting a custom domain through Lovable's publishing settings for a fully branded URL. Now, the 5 mistakes that break Lovable projects. 1. Never paste API keys into the chat. Always use environment variables. 2. Don't request a full rebuild after a partial failure. Isolate the fix and say, do not change anything else. 3. Don't ignore the error console. Right-click the preview, open Inspect, copy the error, and paste it with Fix this error. 4. Don't skip mobile testing. Over 60% of users will be on phones. 5. Always save a version checkpoint before major changes, named descriptively, so you can restore instantly if something breaks. A few more hidden features. Lovable Branch System lets you test risky changes on a separate copy without touching your live app. The code editor lets power users manually fine-tune files. Team collaboration lets you invite people to comment, or send their own prompts. And template export lets you save your finished build as a reusable starting point for future projects, cutting build time from hours to minutes. Looking ahead, Lovable's roadmap includes native mobile app export and deeper AI model integration with Claude, Gemini, and open-source models, meaning your app could soon choose the best model automatically for each task. Here's your 7-day plan. Day 1. Build the base workflow. Day 2. Connect Tavily and verify live search. Day 3. Add AI summaries and test across topics. Day 4. Add history, bookmarks, and CSV export. Day 5. Deploy and share with 3 people. Day 6. Implement 1 piece of feedback. Day 7. Find your first potential client and customize the app for them. The workflow you just watched being built is real, deployable, and monetizable. Lovable has removed every barrier between an idea and a live application. The only thing left is your decision to start. If you're serious about building with AI tools, subscribe. Every week brings a new masterclass on a different tool. Same depth, same practical project. Drop your project URL in the comments. I read every one, and if you build something cool, I want to feature it next.